Hi, my name is Karthikeyan. I'm the owner of Karikudi Chettinad Mess. I'm living in UAE for last more than 24 years, and we always had a dream in our mind to start, a restaurant to provide our, own native taste. So while this is on the mind, then suddenly we came across, that we do not have a good Chettinad taste restaurants in Sharjah. So this thought came in the mind, and we decided to start a restaurant. And then we initially started in Abu Shagara. We had a small place. We just started. We had a good team who are from that area, specifically from Chettinad area. So when we want to provide something good and the real taste, then we need to have the real people. That is the most important thing. So the whole team is, more than each one is 20-25 years experience. So if you see the slogan what we have is the real taste of Chettinad veg and non-veg. That really means what we mean by real taste. Our main motto is to give the real taste of Chettinad. So we have the good people with high experience, and even we test our food, what are the various combinations which we can make and then give it to customer to suit their taste, for example. So we started with that. We started actually in 1st November 2018, and we have very good success, and we have very good customer feedback, and it started growing, and all the business and the restaurant grew only from word of mouth from customers. We didn't do in fact much of advertising as well. So it goes from customer to customer, and they started coming back and saying that my friend told and my neighbor told, and we came here like that. And then we started doing even party orders. For example, they wanted a party order at their place, like park. They are going for a picnic or get together. They wanted the food to be delivered there. I said our main motto is to serve the customer basically. So even we used to serve at the park where they have the gathering straight away at their place. And whatever parties are there, camps and office parties, etc. And we used to customize and provide them whatever they want, how they want it. That's the most important thing. We are here actually to meet the customer requirement, to provide good quality and consistent taste as well as per their needs. For example, if somebody wants for a monthly food, how they want it, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, all that we customize and then we provide to the customers. So our customers started coming from various parts of UAE, Dubai, and different parts of the Emirates, and they all started saying we wanted to have, why don't you start a branch in our place? So everyone started asking for it. Of course, it's very difficult to open in many places, but we have with good support, we have opened the second branch in Al Nada. That was in March 2020. Actually, due to COVID, it was delayed. But anyway, we opened. So this is our second branch, bigger one, and to cover the Al Nada plus even Dubai area. And we have very good response. Even though during COVID lockdown it was less, but now it started, and we have very good response. And we continue to grow, and we continue to get the feedback. Our main thing is we get the feedback from customers, what they like, what they don't like, how they want it to be, what they want to improve. So everything we ask the customers basically, because customer is the one who is really in front of us, and whatever is their need, whatever is their satisfaction, that is our motto. So which we do continuously. We are regularly talking to customers, getting the feedback, and accordingly we are changing whatever is needed, and we try to provide different food also, some different varieties of different cuisine and mix with Chettinad, and then try to provide, we have the same thing all the time available. Something we have to try differently. So in that also we have, for example, we had even Chettinad pasta. We all know pasta is Italian, the red pasta, white pasta. But what we did also before, why don't we make a Chettinad pasta? Something different. The food is food, and people will definitely, like it when the taste is there. So we tried that, and it was success. So like that, we like to introduce different type of foods and to cater different kinds of customer as well. Plus, normally Chettinad means it's a spicy. It's a specific, recipe which is various spices. So this biryani, sometimes is little spicy, so every customer may not, suit to this. So sometimes customers ask, I want less spicy, so we make only for them to reduce the spice and then give it to them, because there are different nationalities who don't eat much spice but they need. So that's our thing. Whatever customer wants, accordingly we can change and then provide to them. So this is our main thing. Plus, we have a very good team. We continuously, monitor and speak to the team, what's going on, what is the feedback, how we need to improve on our services constantly. And the most important thing is, our aim is to give hygiene, maintain the hygiene for the staff as well as for the food and for the restaurant, and then provide good quality, tasty food all times. There is no compromise on the quality. That is number one. It's all the time I keep telling to the team. If we do not have, we do not have. There is no point in doing any compromise and try to sell, which is not our case at all. So, and also we try to accommodate, and cover more customers. Like, it's not only South Indian, even we have people from North, Bombay and other places. The customers are coming and they love our food. So we want to cater the whole different regions. Even we want to cater the other nationalities to try the Indian cuisine. So this is what we have, and we hope we will continue to serve our customers and provide a good taste of real Chettinad food. And we expect your support for us to do. First, I would like to thank Arctic Awards for selecting us and doing the survey with the customers and bringing us, as a number one Chettinad food in Sharjah. So many thanks to them for getting this award. And 2 years, this award means a lot to us. And we and our team is very much delighted, and we are really happy. And this will motivate us to do more and more, actually, to do better even. So really many big thanks to Arctic Awards, and looking forward to the great event to receive the same. Thank you.